Hello friends, I am your friend Sumit. Welcome to your channel Digital Learning 44. And today I have brought a video for you on how to get Google Adsense approval for your blog. Friends, if you have started your blog and if you are planning to make money from it, then this video is for you. Just stay tuned. And friends, if you haven't started your blog, you want to make your blog, then I have made a video for you on how to make a blog on Google Blogger and how to make a blog on WordPress. I have given the link of the video in the description. You can go and watch this video. Friends, in this video, I will enumerate some killer and authentic strategies on how to get Google AdSense approval, and after that, I will teach you how to apply for Google AdSense. Just stay tuned. Friends, I made my blog www.bollywoodlife.xyz. I published 25 articles and my Google AdSense has been approved. Now friends, I will enumerate some killer and authentic strategies for getting Google AdSense approval. Number 1. Google has no problem with your domain name. Your domain name may be .xyz, your domain name may be .in, your domain name may be .net. Google has no problem with your domain name. Number 2. Friends, you must publish 100% original content. 100% original means 100% original content, no compromise with it. Friends, after getting Google AdSense approval, you may upload some copied content also on your blog. But before getting AdSense approval, you must upload 100% original content, 0% copied, no compromise with it. Number 3. Your articles should be of appropriate length, from 300 to 500 words. If you have uploaded at least 25 articles of 300 to 500 words, then you can apply for Google AdSense. Make sure that your articles must be 100% original, 0% copied. Number 4. Friends, some people say after getting your domain name and after making your website, you should apply for Google AdSense after 6 months. Friends, this is a big myth. Friends, if you have uploaded at least 25 articles of 300 to 500 words, your articles are 100% original, then definitely you can apply for Google AdSense and your Google AdSense will be definitely approved. Number 5. Friends, if you have too minuscule traffic on your blog, then there is no need to worry. Friends, if you have uploaded 100% original content, then definitely your Google AdSense will be approved. Number 6. Friends, there is no need to do SEO. Friends, if you have too minuscule traffic on your blog, if you have original content, then also your Google AdSense will be approved. Now friends, number 7, one most important tip. Friends, after making your blog, after publishing at least 25 articles, before applying for Google AdSense, you have also to make a disclaimer page and a privacy policy page also. Friends, how to make a disclaimer page and how to make a privacy policy page, I will also make a video on this also. For now, you can find out from Google how to make a disclaimer page and how to make a privacy policy page. Friends, if I may add, in disclaimer page, you have to state whether your website or blog is for educational purpose or for entertainment purpose or for what purpose it is. And in privacy policy page, you have to state whether you are collecting some information from your visitors or not. You have to state whether this information is in your hand, it will not go somewhere else. Now, last but not least, number 8, most important tip. Friends, if you are an academic blogger, you write on academic subjects, then I understand that it may be difficult for you to write 100% original post unless you are a professor. Friends, before getting Google AdSense approval, you must write 100% original post. 100% original, no compromise with it. Friends, after getting Google AdSense approval, you may upload some copied content. You can take help from books, magazines and various sources. But before getting Google AdSense approval, you must upload 100% original content. Now friends, if I summarize what I have said, friends, just get any domain name, just publish at least 25 articles, 100% original articles, no compromise with it. Apply for Google AdSense and I'm sure that your Google AdSense will be definitely approved. Now friends, I will teach you how to apply for Google AdSense. Friends, if you have made your website, then I will teach you how to apply for Google AdSense. First of all, just type Google AdSense in Google. Open the website www.google.com/adsense/login. If you have made your Google AdSense account, then click on sign in. If you haven't made your Google AdSense account, then click on sign up now. After signing up, enter the website and enter your email address. Friends, if you Friends, if you want to get helpful AdSense info at your email address, then click on yes. Now friends, select your country and read Google terms and conditions and accept the Google terms and conditions and click on create account. Now friends, click on get started. Now friends, fill this form, your name and your complete address and click on submit button. Now friends, AdSense code will be generated. Now friends, copy this code and you have to paste this code in the head tag of HTML code of your website. For pasting this code in the head tag of HTML code of your website, open the dashboard of your website, click on appearance and click on editor. Friends, after clicking on editor, now click on theme header. After clicking on theme header, paste the code under head tag of your website. After pasting the code, scroll down the website and click on update file. Friends, after clicking on update file, go to your AdSense account. Click the checkbox and click on done button. Now friends, we have successfully applied for Google AdSense. Now Google will review your website and they will let you know whether your website is appropriate for serving ads or not. If your website is not appropriate for serving ads, then there is no need to be pessimistic at all. Google will enumerate flaws in your website. You can rectify these flaws and you can apply for Google AdSense one more time. Now friends, in this video we have learned how to apply for Google AdSense and I have enumerated some of the killer strategies for getting Google AdSense approval. Friends, if I summarize what I have said, you just need at least 25 articles of length 300 to 500 words, 100% original articles, then definitely you will get AdSense approval. Now friends, we have completed this video. Friends, if you need some legal and ethical guidelines from us on Google AdSense and on anything related to digital marketing, then you can freely contact us. I'm sure that you must be watching our contact details here. Friends, thank you for watching and I will meet you in my next video.